Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, we're gonna be looking at 9 free options in order to find a web host in 2017. So I've always recommended Linode, and I have an affiliate link in the description tab below, but it doesn't really pay me anything. I think I get a free month if you guys stick with them for 3 months. So I've never once been able to capitalize off of that, but I always recommend Linode. But at the same time, there's like $10 and $20 accounts, and some of you guys don't have $10 or $20 in order to pay. So this video is actually catered towards the people that literally have no money, or at least don't want to spend any money. And where can they go? So the first one is App Harbor, and keep in mind now these products in themselves don't have. It's not like they're going to give you the world for free, basically. So the point is though is that they do have a free tier. So you can see App Harbor has the $0 option, and you can get your host name and things like that. So definitely check these guys out. I'll have the description or the links in the description tab below. The next one is Amazon's AWS. So they actually have a free tier as well. So a lot of companies are getting on board with the free tiers. And if we look down here, you can see Amazon's free tier enables you to gain hands-on experience with AWS. So basically, AWS, and I've talked about this in one of my previous videos about what certifications you should look to get into 2017 and beyond. And AWS cloud certification is one of the most popular right now. So a lot of companies are looking to hire people that understand Amazon AWS. And to be honest with you, this is something that I'm going to be learning myself in 2017, because I'm very curious about AWS. I've never hosted with them, and they're such a large force in the web development world that I think it's important to learn them. The next one is GearHost. So they also have a free monthly session as well here. So you can see how much usage you get. You don't get a ton of usage. Honestly, I pay $20 a month and I get a terabyte of bandwidth, but with Linode. But here you can see at least it's free. You can't argue with free. So the next one is GoMix. And GoMix, this website looks like crap, but that could just be me. Maybe it's the pink background. I don't know. But the bottom line is they do have a free option as well. Now the Google App Engine, that's something that's funny. I actually used them like way back in the day, and then I moved away from them. I think I moved to WebFaction and then Linode, and I've been with Linode for a very long time. But the App Engine is still a relevant option here, and they do have a free tier as well. Just be careful with them. I remember I used to have a free resources as well, and I did a database query, and I hit the database pretty hard. I ended up losing all my free resources, and I couldn't access my website until either the new month rolled around or I paid money. The next one is Heroku, which is a really popular option in the web world. And you can see that once one person starts to do free, other people have to start doing free as well, because they don't want to be phased out of the entire industry and things like that. So there's a whole lot of, like I've always said, when it comes to like pirating software, like companies don't want their software pirated. But if you have your software being pirated from somebody who wouldn't be able to buy it anyway because they can't afford it, there is always the possibility that by them using it, they're promoting it, and then so there's money in promotion. And then also there is this situation where they're like, okay, I know how to use that, and some company can end up hiring me to use that. Some company that can afford to buy the product legit can pay that person in order to then use that product. So I don't know that it's completely lost revenue in all pirating situations, but only if the cheap bastards can't afford it. I'm just kidding, they're not cheap. But if you can't afford it and you pirate, then you're just an asshole. So that's really it. So the next one is IBM Bluemix. And this one, it's a free trial, so this probably isn't as good as some of the options, the other ones, because it's only 30 days free, but at least IBM's giving you a taste of what they offer without having to put down some cash up front. The next option is OpenShift, and OpenShift also has a developer preview, which is free. And once again, I don't know the exact ins and outs of this free trial, but it seems like it's more of a like a monthly, free month type of thing. So maybe not as good as some of the other options as well. And the next one is Zeet or Zeit. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but this one also has a free option here. You can see 20 free deploys per month, free backups. So this is actually a pretty good option here. So it says free forever. I'm always hesitant to ever put anything on my website that says free forever, because you never know when you need to make some of that cache. But anyway, those are 9 free options in order to get web development up and started. So definitely let me know what you guys think. If you have any other options or anything, just feel free to leave a comment below, and I appreciate that. Make sure you guys vote up the video, share. Also, this video is sponsored by my sponsor, Dev Mountain Coding Bootcamp. I don't know why I say that all the time, like my sponsor, but the bottom line is the video is sponsored by Dev Mountain Coding Bootcamp, and they're a coding bootcamp out of Provo, Utah, but they also have courses in Salt Lake City as well as Dallas, Texas. And they're 12 and 16-week courses that focus primarily on the web development aspect of things, and their entire goal is to be able to get you into the industry after you complete the program. So they're one of the highest rated coding boot camps out there right now, so make sure you guys check them out. The link's in the description below. But they focus on things like Node.js, React, Angular. So if you're looking to get your foot into the door using a coding boot camp, there's really not too many other options or any options as far as I know in the coding bootcamp arena that's better than Dev Mountain. So let me know what you guys think of the video, and once again, thank you for watching. Check out Dev Mountain and have a good day. Bye.